I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble resetting your password on BigCommerce, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the login page. Navigate to the BigCommerce login page. This is where you'll start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your BigCommerce account. Make sure it's the correct one to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from BigCommerce. It may take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Step 5. Follow the link to reset. Click the link in the email to set a new password. Make sure to create a strong password that you haven't used before. If you don't see the email, double check your spam folder. Sometimes it can end up there. I hope this helps you get back into your account quickly.